Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Late last week, Microsoft rolled out Edge version 113, which is the current stable release. And just a couple of days later, we have already now received the first maintenance update for Edge 113. Now, as always, if you'd like to see if you have this update, we just head to our menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And if you do use Edge and open and close it regularly and use it on a day-to-day basis, these updates will take place automatically in the background. And the latest version in build is 113.0.1774.42. Now, this is the first point release for version 113, which rolled out on the 5th of May. And we've been bumped up from 0.35 to 0.42. And this is a maintenance update, which is common for Microsoft to roll out between major version upgrades. And once again, it brings various bug and performance issue fixes to the browser. And Microsoft doesn't really give us any more info than that when they do roll out these maintenance updates, as most of you will know by now. But nonetheless, this is a bug and performance fix that's rolling out. And if you have experienced any glitches or issues or problems since upgrading to version 113, then just double check your browser's up to date. And these maintenance updates do roll out over one or more days. So if you're not seeing the update just yet, then just keep checking, or I'm sure you'll be getting it sooner than later. And like I always do when I update browsers, I always do check quickly if there are any new little features or any little tweaks that Microsoft has made with this point release update. And at this stage, I'm not seeing any changes to the actual browser, so it's just a maintenance update rolling out to fix various bugs and performance issues in Edge version 113. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.